Alright, so I would like to say that I did add the juice of 1/4 of a small lemon to that patty mix. Okay, to the whole content. Okay, so when you're finished, you just put transfer the meat, the nut meat from the processor, put it into your bowl. You mix it up just like how you would do hamburger meat. Okay, and then from there, you're gonna have these bad boys right here. You know. Okay. Right. Take this other bad boy. Okay. Throw him there. And the fish too sicker. Okay, it's all done, so I'm gonna taste. Mmm. 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 Pardon my smacking. I'll come right back.